Okay, this next video is on how to record a drum kit or percussion part. So I've got my instrument, it says piano. I want to use the drum kit, so I select drum kits. You know what, let's stick with classic rock, why not? And remember, you can hit play if you want to sample them. So country, classic rock. I'm going to stick with my classic rock one. Okay, again, I want to rename this so I know I don't get confused. So I'm just going to call it drum kit. Now, this is different to the keyboard. So this is our drum kit here. So we have our kick. So S is kick, G is the rim shot, and F is the normal snare. And then for our hi-hat, we've got O and I. Okay, so if I want a basic drum beat, I'm gonna use my kick and snare. Okay, and I'm gonna practice, so I'll hit play. I've got my metronome set up already, so I hit play. There's a basic drum beat. Now if I want to go for a higher level and add some syncopation, I want some of those beats to be off the metronome, okay? So they're syncopated. So you see I'm adding some beats in between the beat, in between the metronome clicks. So the metronome clicks are the pulse, the beat, and I'm playing some of my notes off beat. So let's record a syncopated drum beat. There we go. So I'll have a listen to that. Cool. I didn't record my hi-hats at the same time, partly because my other hand is holding this camera. The other reason is that can be quite tricky. And as we're composing, it's not performing. It doesn't matter how you record the parts. You could record each part, each little drum on its own on separate tracks if you wanted to. So I'm going to add a track. I click on instruments, select the drum kit again, and I want that same classic rock. And I'm going to call this hi-hats, and that's my I and O. Now this, when you've already recorded and you want to practice, the red shaded area here, we can use that to loop what we've recorded. So I click on it once and it goes bold, and then adjust it to my 2 bars of music, and then this will loop what I've done over and over again, so I can practice before I record. Okay, so I want to practice, so I will make sure the loop is on. So there's my hi-hats. I'll take off the loop, take it to the beginning and hit record. I'll get a 1 bar counting and then I start recording. Okay, let's have a listen. I might loop it as well. Also, you can take off the metronome if you're just listening. The metronome is only for recording, so I can take that off just so I can listen to my parts properly. There we go. In another video, I'll show you editing. You can hear that some of the beats aren't quite in time, but I'll show you how to edit little mistakes like that on the next video.